What's up, Nerd Herd? Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Razer BlackShark V3 Pro wireless ANC gaming headset. This is Razer's premium competitive headset, wireless, active, noise canceling, and built for long gaming sessions. I'll take you through the unboxing, build quality, comfort, mic performance, and most importantly, how it actually sounds. Let's take a look inside. Okay, so right away, the BlackShark line keeps that aviation-inspired look, clean, minimal, and purpose-built. This one supports 2.4 gigahertz wireless, Bluetooth, USB, and 3.5 millimeter. It's designed to work across PC, console, and mobile. Now inside the box, we have the headset itself finished in this clean matte white, a detachable full band microphone, USB-C charging cable, a 2.4 gigahertz wireless dongle, and some documentation. No clutter here, everything is practical. Now on to build quality and design. First impressions, this feels solid but lightweight. The ear cups use this plush memory foam wrapped in a breathable fabric rather than leather. That's a big win for long sessions and heat control. The clamping force is firm but not aggressive, and the headband distributes weight evenly. This is clearly designed for competitive play, not just aesthetics. This is the detachable full band microphone, one of the main upgrades. Let's go ahead and put this on here. We're gonna do a test later today, and so you guys can get an actual sound bite of how this actually is. This is a Razer BlackShark V3 Pro microphone test. No filters, no post-processing. This is exactly how it sounds out of the box. So for wireless, this is very clean, clear mids, controlled lows. I'm running Cyberpunk benchmark as well, so you can hear kind of like how it sounds with my voice and in game while you're playing something in game. I don't detect any harshness, and I like it. And definitely the noise suppression is working flawlessly. So now on to wireless and battery. Latency over 2.4 gigahertz is excellent. No noticeable delay. Bluetooth is great for mobile or casual use, and battery life is rated up to 70 hours, which is honestly insane. Now, who is this for? Well, this headset is for competitive gamers, streamers, content creators, really anyone who values comfort and clean audio. If you're just casually gaming, this might be overkill, but if audio matters to you, this definitely makes sense. Okay, so final verdict. The BlackShark V3 Pro is not flashy, it's focused. It's comfortable, reliable, has a decent mic, excellent wireless performance, and strong ANC. If you want a headset that disappears on your head for hours on end and you can focus on the game or the content, this is a strong recommendation. But if you enjoyed this unboxing and review, smash that like button, subscribe to the Nerd Herd, and let me know what headset you're currently using. Until next time, stay nerdy.